This video will show you how easy it is to update your address information associated with your doTERRA account. To update a billing address associated with a credit card, watch our other tutorial that goes into more detail of how to update or add new credit card information. To update your mailing address associated with your doTERRA account, go to Account, then Account Profile in the top right. Under the first section, My Profile, you will see a pencil icon that you can click to edit the information associated with your mailing address on your account. Don't forget to click the Save button if any changes were made. You also have the option of updating shipping addresses on the account. In Account Profile, scroll down to the Shipping Addresses section. Here there are two options: Manage Shipping Addresses and Add a New Shipping Address. If you click on Manage Shipping Addresses, you are brought to a new screen where you can see any address that is currently saved to the account. There will always be one address that is set as the default shipping address. This means when you start a new order, this will be the address populated into the shipping information. You can edit the address of the order if you want the order to ship to a different place other than the default address. Each address will have a pencil icon in the top right that you can click to edit the information. You can also delete an address from your account using the X in the top right corner. Remember, you cannot delete an address while it is saved as your default address or if it is saved on any active recurring loyalty order. There will be a pop-up to remind you of this. By clicking on the pencil icon, the address fields will open up, allowing you to change the information. You can also change which address is saved as your default address. Please note that changing an address to your default address does not change the current ship to address for any loyalty orders already created. To change the ship to address on a loyalty order, you will have to enter the order and update the shipping information there. We will go over this in more detail later in the video. From the address book, you can also add a new address by clicking the button at the top left. You will need to fill out all the information. Check if you want this new address to be saved as your default, and then click Save. In the account profile, there is also the second option of Add a New Shipping Address. This takes you to a similar page as the Add New Address button explained earlier. Remember to save any changes. You are also able to change the ship to address in an order. We will use a recurring loyalty order in this example. Click on Edit Order in the Shop tab. Once here, you can scroll down to the shipping section of your order. Here you can change the ship to address to a previously saved address using the drop-down or by clicking on Manage Addresses to edit or add new information. To edit the information, use the pencil icon, the X to delete, or the Add New Address button at the top to create a new ship to address. From here, you can proceed to checkout and process the order now, or save the order to process on the scheduled date. Thanks for watching.